3, 2, 1, cue sound.
Okay, so the third question is, what did you do when one of your teammates contributed with ideas? First of all, when someone contributes with an idea, we do not disregard them. We make sure to adapt the ideas that maybe they don't work perfectly so that they do work perfectly and that the work can have a piece of each single team member.
Yes, we also constructed the ideas in order to see which one was like the most adapted to our work, what we needed.
Okay, and finally, the fourth question is, to achieve the team goal, what was your contribution?
Well, my contribution, as I already said, was the part of the graphs, the values, and designing the graphs, also answering some questions, and kind of organizing the things.
Okay, and our goal was to have the best possible work we could have. So my goal was to reunite every single piece of the work and put them together in the video to make sure that nothing was missing. Okay, the first question is, why was your individual collaboration important during this activity? During this activity, I made sure that we could have all the elements for the video about all the graphics and all the things we were doing, and I helped editing it.
For my part, what I do is helping in the presentation, helping in the graphs, and answering some of the questions that we had to make in the presentation.
The second question is, what were the strategies to achieve the goal set by the team?
Well, strategies, we organized ourselves, we divided the work in different parts.
And we made sure it was equally divided so that every single person could be working in one thing at a time and we could finish the work faster.
Yes, and also if someone ended their work, he could help the other ones.
I collaborated with my teammates all throughout the key activity, but my main contribution to the team was getting the equation out of the graph and comparing a little bit, which I consider an important part of this activity. So I consider my individual collaboration important. The strategies we used as a team to achieve our goal was dividing all the work between all four of us, but still helping each other if we thought we could, and setting times so we finish fast. When my teammates contributed with ideas, we all listened and helped each other, so in reality we all work in different things as we saw appropriate. And that's all.
For this key activity, we all had an important job to do since we decided to divide the work in parts. Like, for example, some made the graphics and the equation, some other was there for checking, some other took the videos. Myself, I edit the video and help with the presentation, like grading some results or ordering things. And I think the most important part of working in team is to be aware of what the other one is doing, so you can help in some way, or you can check after they finish their part. And what we do when we had different ideas is like we compare. For example, we had different graphics, different options to what we should choose. So we had a discussion and said, no, this one is better, no, this one, and that's it. So I think each member of our team has an important job to do. If we didn't have that done by the time it has to be, it couldn't have been done in such a good way.